Assalamu alaikum grade 4. I am your English teacher from Allied School. Today I am going to deliver my next lecture. Open your English Oxford book at page number 26, unit 5, lesson 1. Mrs. Bate is asking Dan about his plans for the weekend. Read the dialogue and choose the best phrases. As I have told in the previous lectures that a dialogue is a conversation between two or more people. So this is a dialogue between Mrs. Bate and her son Dan. There are two characters in this dialogue. You have to choose the best phrases. For example, Mrs. Bates says, "What are you doing or going to do on Saturday?" Doing. Dan answers his mother, "I am playing or going to play. I am playing in a volleyball match in Stratford." Mrs. Bates, "How are you getting there?" Dan, "The coach is leaving from school at midday." Mrs. Bates, "Are you coming home in time for supper?" Dan, "Oh yes." Mrs. Bates, "Are you going to win or are you winning?" Dan, "I hope so. I think we are better than the other team." Now in exercise number 2, Mrs. Barki is asking Imran about his plans for the day. Read the dialogue and choose the best phrases. Now students, this is the dialogue between Mrs. Barki and Imran. The first one dialogue was between Mrs. Bates and Dan. Mrs. Bates, "What are you going to do after lunch?" Imran, "I am going to do my homework. Then I am going to help grandma with her shopping." Mrs. Bates, "That's kind of you. When are you going to revise for your test?" Imran, "Tomorrow. There is a football match on TV this evening, so I am going to watch it." Exercise number 3, circle the correct word to complete the sentences. A sea creature with 8 arms is called a whale, an octopus or a shark. It's an octopus. A dash is a type of fish, a penguin, squid or sea lion. Sea lion. We don't live on the dash, we live 20 kilometers from the sea. Beach. You can't drive across a dash because the ground is too wet. Marsh. The dash of the story is not exciting, not much happens. Plot. Now listen to your teacher and complete the sentences. Students, this exercise can be filled by checking page 107. You can solve this exercise after checking the page 107. For example, first one, there isn't any dash in the dash, shampoo and Bangalore. You can check the page 107 and fill the exercise. Now on page number 27, unit 5, lesson 2, add the tag questions. For example, you are Imran, aren't you? You have 2 sisters, haven't you? You live in Lahore, don't you? You don't read many books, do you? You haven't got a bicycle, have you? Your mother is an artist, isn't she? Your father isn't at home this week, is he? Your father travels alone, doesn't he? Now rewrite the sentences to give the same meaning. For example, a leopard kills a deer, it then carries it up onto a tree. You can make the sentence here, when a leopard kills a deer, it carries it up into a tree. Student, this is your task. I am going to explain you. So write it in a notebook. A tiger grows old, it then hunts people instead of animals. When a tiger grows old, you will add when a tiger grows old, it hunts people instead of animals. Right here, when a tiger grows old, it hunts people. It then hunts people instead of animals. The zebras cross a river, crocodiles attack zebras. When the zebras cross the rivers, crocodiles attack the zebras. This is your activity. Write in your notebooks. Grade 4, now open your book of English grammar at page number 19, unit 5, nouns. In this chapter, we will learn about compound noun. A compound noun is made of 2 or more words. A compound noun is a noun that is made with 2 nouns. We have read about the different types of nouns like proper nouns and common nouns. Now we will study about the compound nouns. For example, look at this example. This is matchbox. Matchbox is made with the 2 words. First one is match and second one is a box. Match and box are 2 different words, but they make one compound noun, matchbox. Grass, hopper, motor, cycle. All these examples are of compound nouns. Match plus box is equal to matchbox. Grass plus hopper, grasshopper. Motor plus cycle, motorcycle. Now copy the words in your notebook. Join the nouns given in 2 columns to make compound nouns. air, field, bank, note, bath, room, night, mare, gun, fire, swimming pool. Students, now on page number 20, look at the pictures and write the compound nouns for each. Complete the exercise in your notebook. The first one is table lamp, aeroplane, wall clock, newspaper, ice cream and jungle book. Students, now exercise B. Copy the sentences in your notebook. Fill in the blanks using the compound nouns provided below. Blackboard, homework, jigsaw, headphones and drugstore. I love listening to music, putting on my dash headphones. The teacher is writing on the blackboard. Go to the drugstore and get some medicines. I am doing my homework. Please solve this jigsaw puzzle. On page number 21, he is sick, so he is sitting in the wheelchair. Underline the compound nouns. Wheelchair is a compound noun, so underline it. What is the password? I am not carrying my passport. Her handwriting is very neat. Handwriting. The courtyard is full of birds. Courtyard. I can see her footprints in the sand. Look at the pictures and read the compound words written under them. Separate the words to show how they are made. Write N for nouns and A for adjective and V for verb. One example is done for you. Moonlight is made from moon and light. This is your activity, so solve it by yourself.